We'll guide you through how to merge rows in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the home page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to edit. After selecting the file, wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so all the cells and tools are visible. When the spreadsheet appears, observe the worksheet displayed on the screen. Look through the sheet and locate the rows that you want to merge. Take a moment to review the data inside those rows so you understand what information will be combined. Next, move your cursor to the first cell of the rows that you want to merge. Click the first cell to start the selection process. After clicking, hold the mouse button and drag across the rows that you want to combine. As you drag, highlight all the cells that you want to merge into a single cell. Carefully confirm that the correct rows are selected before continuing to the next step. Once the cells are highlighted, move your cursor to the top toolbar of Google Sheets. Look across the toolbar until you find the Merge Cells icon. This icon is used to combine multiple cells into one. Click the Merge Cells drop-down arrow to view the available merge options. After clicking the drop-down arrow, observe the available merge options displayed in the menu. Google Sheets provides several ways to merge cells depending on the direction you need. In this case, look for the Merge Vertically option because you want to merge rows together. Once you find it, click Merge Vertically to apply the merge action. After selecting this option, observe the selected cells in the worksheet. You will see that the highlighted cells become one larger cell. Notice that the rows are now merged together and appear as a single combined cell in the spreadsheet. Next, review the text inside the merged cell. Make sure the content still appears clear and readable. Confirm that the merged rows look clean, organized, and easy to understand. Once you are satisfied with the result, click another area of the sheet to remove the current selection. From this point, you can continue editing, organizing, or formatting your spreadsheet data